Hello, welcome to Wobbly Life. As you can see, I now have a mic, so I can record my voice. And I just started this video, going in, not knowing what to do. Last time I was here, and I don't even know why I didn't make a video on that. Oh wait, yeah, now I know, because I didn't have my mic. But now, I have a mic, so now I can record my voice. So yeah, in the Roblox video, I'm not going to be speaking in chat anymore. So, yeah, now it doesn't take me, like, about too long to talk to you guys. So, I'm going to figure out what to do. Just give me a moment. Okay, I figured out what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go fish. Get some fishing going. And take this little ball thingy. This little doohickey. I'll take this little doohickey to them. I should probably get a car though. This thing is not good at moving. Didn't realize that would happen. I'm running into a car with a bouncy ball. Okay, yeah, there's something a bit faster and a bit more. Oh, Pasato! Give me that. Yeah, I got the movie. Okay, I can move the bike. Is that a market? Is that a market? No, it didn't even mark it. Now it's marked. Just gonna look at the map on the side. Just keep heading toward the fishing area. Okay, as you can see, I got a different car. I don't know really why I got a different car. Maybe because it's just faster. Oh god. Ignore that. I definitely did not just destroy a lamppost. Where the hell is the dock? Is that it down there? I would not assume this. Oh my god, it is. Oh wait, what the? I just saw a rocket car over there. You saw the okay. Odd. Yeah, oh yeah, there it is again. Okay, I'll go check that later. I'll go check that out later. But right now I'm fishing. Right now. Shut up! Anyway, let's go fish. Fishies here. Cannot. Uh-oh. Okay, anyway. You, sir, I would like to get a boat. Bring any fish here. Okay, well, how do I get the boat? How do I get the boot? Oh, this one right here. Okay, time to go fishing. Good. Loud. Anyway, sorry if my mic audio's just crappy. It's just a mic I have. At least it's a mic so you can at least hear my voice. That's all that matters. Yeah, this looks good. This looks far enough. Okay, let's get fish. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm getting new. This is new to this. I'm new to this. Okay? I'm new to this. I haven't even fished once. Oh. Oh, got a bit of a fight again. Oh. That wasn't a bit of that. Anyway. Yeah, I just threw a moss ball into the ocean. What about it? Anyway. Let's get... Oh, fishy. Ow, fishy. Come on, give me a fish. Fish, please. Sounds actually kind of fighting. Oh, okay, this is really fighting. Fishy! Let me catch you! I want to sell you for money. Oh my god! Oh my god, it was right there. There we go. Oh! It was a giant oh! That, for a first catch of an actual fish, that's not bad. I'm gonna name you, your name is, okay, let's go catch another fish. Oh my god, it's a shopping cart! Oh my god, this is my prized possession. A damn shopping cart. Yes, a damn shopping cart. Oh, oh no! I was trying to throw the shopping cart out. Ah! Oh great, now I gotta get a boat, drive all the way over, back to the boat I was at, to get the crab. Don't worry, I'm coming. I'll just keep this right next to the boat, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of fishing today. Okay, so we're back on the fishing, and here we go, we got a little fishy here. I think it's a fish. I don't know. Yeah, that's not a fish. Oh, could be. Could be. It could be a fish. It could be a fish. Yeah, that's not a fish. That's a moss ball. No, I don't want the crab. I want the moss ball. Get out of here. Anyway, I'm not sure if we can sell those. Oh my god. I'm not sure if we could sell the fish. If we could sell those, the trash. I'm not sure. But yeah, I know we can. I know I could definitely sell the fish. Oh. Come on, give me another fish. Oh, this is kind of fighting. It was a prawn! Okay, look, I'm just trying to sell these two things to see how much I get. But the reason I'm selling them is because I also just want to know how much this crab is worth. Because, I mean, so I'm pretty sure, because, that was the first fish I caught, and it was putting up a big fight. Oh my god, why does this thing take 2 years to... Okay, let's get these fishy sold. Okay, little prawn. Okay, got a prawn, let's get the crab. Okay, now we get the fish. We got some fishies over here. Oh no, I threw the crab. Okay, here you go. Got $5 for the prawn. Now how much for the crab? 60. Wow. Okay. I guess I should have grabbed more fish. I guess I should have caught more fish instead of just selling them all at that one. All of a sudden selling them all at that one point. Who cares? Okay, let's get some more fishy, shall we? Let's get some more fish. Okay, let's get some more fish. Hey, don't give me shit. I was just trying to check if I could tell where the recording footages are, because I don't want to lose them, like I did with that one Twisty, the clown footage, like it got corrupted. That's why in the Twisty the Clown Madness video I made on Tornado Ultimate, that's why I said there was 3 Twisties, but, well, the footage for one got corrupted. That's why. That was confusing. Yeah. Oh, this isn't putting on a good fight. So if we got something good. Oh, the Patrick stop. Wait a minute, this isn't Patrick. Oh well. Let's just say this is Patrick's long lost cousin. Yeah, this so far we're getting good doing the fish. And I'm just trying to get some money to afford pet, specifically sea tops. Because why the hell not? And because I like sea tops. So, and because I like sea tops for YouTube in general. I'm sorry if I'm talking a bit funny. Either I'm just like kind of mumbling and stuff, but if you can hear me, that's fine. Okay, come on, give me the fish. Yay! I got a haddock. It's like a bit. Oh, that. Get away from the edge and throw you in the cockpit. Starfish. Okay, there you go. Let's get some more fish because I want to get some money to get it to afford a pet. Okay. Now, just a disclaimer. Just now that I have a mic, there might be. No, not a disclaimer. The fact that I have a mic now, my videos might be a lot more funnier because my friend who I made that Tornado Insanity video with, playing Tornado Insanity with a friend, he's probably gonna be the one that makes my videos a whole lot funnier because he does the most random shit ever, and yeah. And I like him for that, because he's funny. He's goofy, haha, funny thing. Yeah. It's gonna be a lot more... So I'm gonna try and make a lot more videos with him. Now that I have a mic. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting a lot of fish. Wow. Yeah. I'm literally shoving them in the cockpit. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm decent. I'm getting out of fish. Oh my god, this keyboard is messed up. Sword. Okay, good. Just gotta get these. Getting a lot of fish here. Yeah, after this fish, after selling these fish, I'm probably gonna check out the rocket car I saw earlier from the container glitching. So yeah, I'm gonna probably get that today too. So who knows? Okay, that a herring. Yeah, I got a lot of fish here. Let's bring them back to good old Jerry over there. I don't really know his name, but I'm just gonna call him Jerry. Let's bring him over to him, and I can go, and I'm gonna go try getting the rocket car. Okay, let's get my fish. Let's get my fish on the dock first. So there's only one fish at a time here. Oh, I grabbed the boat there. Yeah, it's gonna be one fish at a time, I guess. Okay, there we go. Now I got this two. Anyway, let's go sell these two bad boys. Got 15 bucks and a 5. Sell this guy. Get another 5 bucks. Sell these two. Okay, I did not get as much money as I hoped. But anyway, let's go check in that rocket car. Oh, there's legs back there. Alrighty, now where did I see the rocket car? Pretty sure I saw it over here. Let's go check. Forklift. Pretty sure it's over here where this open container is. Maybe. Or not. Where did I see it? Just gonna walk over here and try to see if I can use the oh, it's over there. Oh, train! Good thing I didn't stand on the tracks very much longer. Well, I would have gotten ran over by that train. And with the cars in there. Now, let's go get it. Here it is. Yep, that is. I got the rocket cow. Woohoo! Yeah, wee! Yeah, uh-oh. Ah! Why did I do that? I immediately get the car, and what did I do? I drive it into the ocean. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.